Hello everyone, this is Albert and I'm gonna show you what I'm working on. Hopefully this can help someone else who is doing a remodel of a double bathroom or even a single bathroom, who is looking to have in-wall toilets hung. As you can see, I built a box here for this one, and the other one is inside the frame. I'll go show you that. However, the vent was going up the middle like this, so I rerouted the vent going this way. The old toilet flange was coming up right here. I was able to get that off. And then a sink drain is coming off and going into the other, that right there, that piece I added. So with the other side, what we're trying to do here is try to make it as small as possible without adding another 2x6 over here for the outlets. So we're going to put the outlet, so I added the outlet here. And there's that drain, a double, that was coming off this right there, that T. The old flange was here. But so what I'm trying to do here is add the water line inside the stud wall here without actually adding a whole new cavity. And what I came up with is this here. Obviously you want to put Teflon tape on it, but yeah, that's what I came up with, which is good because it's very tight in there. And I think I get that further enough in, it will fit in those studs there. But I will come back to it to show everyone. I hope that helps someone.